Hi everyone! In this lesson, you'll practice giving the day of the week.
In the next minute, you'll be challenged to ask and answer which day of the week it is. First, let's look at some examples.
¿Qué día es hoy?
Hoy es jueves.
To ask the day of the week, you can say,
¿Qué día es hoy?
to ask which day an event takes place, say,
¿Qué día es?
followed by the event, like,
¿Qué día es el examen?
listen to a few more examples.
¿Qué día es el examen?
Es el miércoles.
¿Qué día es el concierto?
Es el viernes.
Let's practice. You meet Ben. Ask him what day the exam is.
Es el miércoles.
Now, meet Emily. Ask her what day the concert is.
Es el viernes.
How did you do? You can consider this practice exercise successful if you were able to answer in the given time, and use the sentence pattern featured in the examples. Try this practice exercise again if you want to improve your fluency. To learn more vocabulary and phrases, access our Can Do video series by clicking the link in the description.
And that's it for this lesson. Great job! Now you know how to give the day of the week. Go ahead and move on to the next lesson, and I'll see you there.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, want to know if your Spanish skills have improved? Take our free assessment test to assess your language, discover your true learning level, and get free access to a language course for your specific level. An easy-to-follow course where you learn the real language, the everyday conversations that you'll soon have, and absorb these practical conversations just by listening along, with quick audio and video lessons from real teachers. So click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed.